The Poppy Sold Out Show, Lagos. Yes, we get Omble Claire in the building, and we are live on the Sold Out Show. Samuel Banks, aka Arike Preorder. That name, Arike Preorder. Who order? Who receive? What happen? How that name combined together? Where did Arike come from?
Okay, yeah. Arike Preorder now. Waiting, I just say now one name maybe say I just put for content. One day maybe say I just like one mimic person. But the fans now give me go say Arike Preorder. Because anytime I use another name,
Okay.
because when I just start, I dey use different name for content, for different character. So anytime I post content,
Yeah.
they go comment say, no be Arike Preorder, you understand? So the majority vote, they like that Arike Preorder. Anytime I use that name, Arike Preorder, they like him. So I just have to use Arike Preorder.
So I just want to make you know, say everything we would ask you there from the fans directly.
Sure.
Not the sold out show.
Sure.
Show for the fans.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they go like, what can really go down between you and Fine Boy Dara?
Oh, fine, brother.
No,
Okay.
I mean just be
Okay.
honest. Just
Okay.
tell us what really happened.
Dara is my guy, is my friend. Now me, and Dara no be that social media guy. Well, now me, they like put them through. Sure, you understand? And everybody get their own downtime. You understand? And I no go like I want TikTok. Now me I don't even know as I want to take explain.
Okay, so now you've been they bring up the whole ideas.
Yeah, now
the
me
engagements.
No, let's get it right.
Okay.
We dey gather do am together.
All right.
You understand? We dey gather.
No be solo thing.
No be solo thing. We
Okay.
dey gather do am together. So Dara na one guy wey be say, if you dey go through something, you just dey like day.
Okay.
You understand? And me as his friend, I understand.
Okay.
So all those times wey be say no be fight. It just need the space at that time. You understand? So and me, I respect space. I be one kind of person will say I respect space. So as that thing happen, no be fight too. As it happened, I was like, okay, no problem. Say, be like say they go through some things this time around. We'll just
Free
free am for now.
So no
Then
be say na fight.
No. We no fight. And now people call it to say we fight.
Okay.
Why you guys fight? Why you guys? I know they follow person fight. And Dara now, even before content, we've been friends for over like 2 years or a year before we start creating content together. So,
Okay. So I just won't believe it till you talk now.
yes, believe him.
I know say you deform humility.
No.
You buy 2 Benz in 1 year. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Arike, you pre-order 2 Benz in 1 year. None of my business.
I know.
None of my business.
Yeah.
But I celebrate you.
Yeah, thank you.
And I also want to learn your ways. Teach me how you make that much money in 1 year in this economy. Now this same influence me.
I'm a content creator. But me, I don't know. I work so hard, so I feel like
You get what I want to ask you, but are they reason 2 ways. First, say are they mic.
Okay.
Second, you to how you go they receive them.
okay.
But just talk. I mean, people they learn from you.
Yeah.
They admire your craft. They laugh. Then they laugh for what they do. So I mean, they see you succeeding, and they just wonder how more Arike 2 Benz in 1 year. I mean, yeah. Yeah.
How will I put it? How will I even start?
You don't get any other
Okay.
shady hustle where they happen.
Okay. This is
Just
it.
to clear their mind, though.
To clear people's mind. This is it. Me. Let me just say.
Okay, nobody you get kata. I get kata too. Don't worry. Well, it's catastrophic.
Me. I don't feel pressured about something because I start with small car first. You understand? So, those times, actually, except from this content creator, I'm a PR for Secret Palace. Yeah, I work in Secret Palace as a PR.
Don't mention that place again. They do give them too much adverts.
Okay.
They don't say they do PR work for some big places.
Okay,
so other-
okay, I did do PR for one big club for Lagos.
Okay.
You understand? Even before Arike Preorder. So
Okay.
I guess I had others except from content creating,
Okay.
and I did do my school thing too. You understand? So I
Okay.
just feel like content. If you're
you
into
did
content
school?
creating, I did school.
Which
Like
school?
this is now
Okay.
university.
And which you dey study?
Mass comm.
Okay. So so you are doing internship now. You do practice.
I don't go. I don't.
Now
go
mass
on-
come be this work now. Abi? We go pay you for.
I don't go on
this
school
training.
before actually.
Okay.
North American University. I don't finish for this, so I just need some.
Okay, they sack you from that school.
No, not sack. I don't finish.
Okay, you finish.
I
Okay.
finish for this school.
No verse. I just the assume. Don't mind me.
I just need some
Finishing touches here
finishing
and there.
touches. I just have to
Okay.
go to now
Okay.
and finish everything.
All right.
Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.